Some things happen all around you, but no one really notices, right? Time keeps ticking, even when you don't know where it's going. Most days, I'm just here for the ride, just trying to keep up with it all. They say I'm the responsible one, the one who knows what's next. Grades, goals, and dreams. And yeah, maybe that's me sometimes. Other times, I just can't keep up. I wake up, but it feels like I'm always catching up to something, like someone else has already been here. My name's Annie. Well, that's what they call me. But sometimes it doesn't feel like I'm the one answering. Messages I don't remember reading, laughter I don't even remember joining, and things just happening without me. It's not that I don't care. I do. I really do. It's just some things move on without me. And that's when I realize it's not just about what happens around me. It's about trying to remember what happens inside me.
Hello, Mayuri.
Hello ate, kamusta ka po?
Okay naman. Kayo, kumusta kayo? Si Papa, kumusta si Papa?
Ayos lang po ate.
May pasok ka ba ngayon?
Yes po, may practice po kami after class.
Kumain bago pumasok, okay?
Yes po ate.
Huwag kalimutan mag-aral ng maigi, ha?
Naman.
Huwag mo rin papabayaan ang kalusugan mo. Naintindihan mo ba?
Yes po ate.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay po, bye.
Hoy, ate serious, dito ka nga.
Roll ko lahat mamaya, walang absent ha.
Party sa junk box, lights, speakers, my food, my something. Complete package. Yes naman. Wala ka na nga last week eh. Kompleto sana ngayon.
Guys, I really need to study. My quiz tomorrow. I'm not really ready.
Eh, doon ka mag-review bago tayo uminom. Multitasking queen, oh.
Kung ginawan mo ng time yung calculus mo, dapat may time ka rin sa amin. Parang di mo na kami love, no?
No, it's not like that. I just really need to study, to pass. That's all. Sobrang dami ko kasi talagang backlog eh.
Backlog? Girl, relax. You're always fine, and you'll always be.
Okay, I'll go for a bed. Yes!
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, are you now ready for our lesson today?
Yes, ma'am.
But before that, class, we will be having quiz tomorrow, and don't forget to review chapters 5 to 8. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So please study. Okay?
Chapters 5 to 8.
Quiz. Boring. Party naman muna.
Uy, okay ka lang?
Yeah. Super okay.
Okay.
Why does this look different?
Finally! Nagpakita rin si Miss Study Mode.
Let's go.
I'm not sure if I should. I still have to. Actually, yeah. Tara, let's make it fun.
Yan! That's what I'm talking about. Alam mo, minsan, feeling ko nag-iba na rin ugali mo bigla.
Ganun talaga. Si Buchay.
Whatever it is, keep that version. Mas masaya yan.
Seryoso? Parang iba ng aura mo ngayon ah. Ang saya mo na rin. Diba? Oo nga no, hindi ka na mayayain. Grabe!
Tara na! Let's make this night unforgettable!
Bakit ganito na lang palagi? Hindi ko kaya to.
exam bukas, assignments, tsaka projects pa. Kaka-impyerno.
Relax. Boring ang life kung puro seryoso lang. Mag-enjoy naman tayo. Sim, sino ba naman kasi naggusto ng boring life, di ba?
Hindi pwede. Kailangan ko mag-review. Bakit ganito na lang palagi? Seryoso ka na lang lagi. Ano ba yan? Sige na. One night lang. Masaya naman, di ba? Ano bang problema mo? Gusto mo ba mabulok na lang dito kakaaral? Hindi. Hindi pwede. Exam bukas. Kailangan ko na mag-focus. Ano ba naman yan? Puro ka na lang aral. Aral. Ayaw mo ba mag-enjoy? Ang saya kaya ng mundo dyan. Hindi pwede to. Hindi pwede to. Bakit ganito na lang palagi? Hindi.
Teaching a foreign language to pupils means but rewarding task. New avenues for communication. So,
Ani! Ba't late ka na naman?
Pasensya na po, ma'am. Magka-problema lang po sa schedule. First part 2 last time. Chapter 3 ko lang natapos.
Ani. Yung assignment mo.
Pasensya na po, ma'am. Hindi ko pa po natapos. Bakit ganito palagi? Kailangan ko na mag-focus. Bakit ganito? Failing grades. Nagsisit. Lahat ng pinaghirapan ni Mama. Sayang lang.
Guys, it's time to party again. Birthday ng cousin ko and gaganapin daw sa isang bar. She invited me and told me to also invite my friends. And kayo yun. Let's go!
May pogi ba dyan? Kung meron, game ako.
Mukha ka talagang lalaki, Tina. May kutsut ka pa lang last time, ah. By the way, what time ba ang party para makapag-ready na din ako?
Start at 6 p.m. How about you, Annie? You must be there. You know, we need you.
No. No more. I have to fix this. Kailangan ko nang ayusin to. Fix? Fix what? This boring life? Oh my God. Gusto mo na lang yata talaga mabulok ng kakaaral eh. And even after all that, look at what you got. Failing grades. What the hell? No. Mama. Sorry. I'll fix this. I'll fix this. Hindi na to pwede. Bakit ganito na lang lagi? No, no, no. I can fix this. I can fix this. Oh my God. Kaibigan mo sila. You lose them. Do you want to lose them? Then maybe I will. Baka nga
Kailangan ko na talaga silang iwan.
Oh wait, when I was in college, nawala ng source of income para yung parents ko. So wala akong pambayad ng tuition. Nakatapos lang ako ng college kasi
Ani, ano to? Bagsak ka na naman? Tita, trying ko.
Trying? Ilang beses ka ba babagsak kapag seryoso?
Hindi ka talaga pang honor. Kahit anong aral mo, bagsak pa rin.
Ginagawa ko naman po lahat eh.
Eh bakit parang hindi? Anak ka ng kapatid ko pero puro pasakit ka dito. Scholarship mo lang naman ang inaasahan namin.
Kung hindi mo kaya, sabihin mo para alam namin kung hindi ka na pala worth suportahan.
Tita, Tito, kaya ko naman po eh.
Sure? Kasi mukha namang hindi. Sige, Annie. Prove it. Ayaw namin ng palpak dito.
Uy, anong problema? Kanina ka pa lutang ah. Oo nga, you're killing my vibe, girl.
Nakalimutan mo na ba? Half of fun or something?
No. It's just that hindi ko na kaya to. I can't do this anymore.
Ano can't do? Can't do what? Enjoy life? Hindi mo na kaya mag-enjoy?
No. I can't keep pretending. Pretending na I'm okay with failing. With disappointing my mother. With throwing it away. Duh! Chill day. No one's asking that. Di ka kaya namin pinipili. Yes, you are. You pull me back. You keep pulling me back. And I can always control it. Hindi ko kayang pigilan.
Ang gulo dito, hindi ka ba naglinis man lang?
Pagod ako. Hindi ko kaya.
Lagi ka na lang pagod. Wala ka na bang ibang ginawa?
Anong gusto mong gawin ko? Magtrabaho? Sa kalagayan kong to?
Mga anak, tandaan nyo, kahit wala na ako, be strong ha? Mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti. Ikaw, alam ko gusto mo maging doktor. At ikaw naman isang guro. Pag-igihan nyo ha. Tandaan nyo, mahal ko kayo.
We need to talk. Somewhere quiet.
Hindi lang to tungkol sa pagiging seryoso o pagpapakasaya kasi I have two sides. Kasi may dalawang ako. At hindi ko sila kayang kontrolin.
Two sides? What do you mean?
It means it's like may dalawang ako. Sometimes I'm me, the Annie, na gusto lang mag-aral and make my mom proud. And sometimes naman, I'm another version of me na gustong tumakas.
Tumakas saan?
Sa lahat. The pressure, the expectations, yung sakit ni mama noon, yung pag-alis ni papa, after she passed, na parang walang ako. Then being shift up sa tita at tito ko.
So, sinasabi mo bang kasalanan namin na nag-fail ka?
No, hindi. Hindi, Dahlia. Hindi nyo kasalanan. It's mine. I just have to prioritize things. May sakit ako and it's called dissociative identity disorder. Yung sinasabi ko kanina may dalawang ako.
This what?
It's a kind of disorder na kung saan may iba't ibang identity ka. Sometimes different personalities, characters, talents, and sometimes isa sa kanila yung nagtitake over sa body mo. You know, the Annie that is outgoing, sumasama sa parties nyo? It's not me. It's the other Annie.
So, you're saying na you sometimes experience na nagkakapalit between different, or to be exact, two identities?
It's a coping mechanism, I guess. Para makayanan ko ang lahat. Actually, it all started with when my mom got sick. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. I couldn't handle it noon. Hindi ko kaya. Then after she died, Papa left. na hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Abandoning me. So, I was sent to live with my aunt and uncle.
So, hindi sila mabait sa'yo?
They weren't around much. And if they were, it's all about my grades. Not being a failure. About me not being a burden. Siguro din ko natutunang mawala. Go somewhere else in my mind. Be someone else. Maging ibang tao.
So, sinasabi mo bang hindi kami priority? Hindi rin kami importante?
No. Siyempre, importante. Kaibigan ko kayo eh. And I care about you so much. You were very important in my life. Ano lang kasi, it's just that my future depends on this. Hindi ko pwedeng sayangin yung mga sacrifices ni Mama for me to have an access to education. Hindi ko pwedeng sayangin yung mga ginawa ni Mama para makapag-aral ako. And I can't let this disorder take over my life.
Okay, I get it. We're here for you, Anne. Gets na namin both side of you. Basta, andito lang kami palagi, kahit sino ka pa.
Thank you mga ate. That means everything.
But before we end this night, pwede din ba namin makausap yung other Annie?
Of course. So I guess, bye for now.
Alright mga ate ko, the name's Annie. Still Annie. So, what's up?
Hi, Annie! It's good to see you. Grabe, ibang-iba ka kanina.
OMG, ikaw na nga yan. So, anong gusto mong gawin? Nagugutom na ako eh.
So, Annie, anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng to? The DID thing?
Annie B? Bakit Annie B? Hindi ako sanay te ha. Anyway, okay na yun. Kasi naman, same name kami. Diba? And about naman dun sa tanong mo about disorder. Ang rare nga, diba? Well, napaisip ako. Tama naman si Annie A. Siguro kailangan na nga talaga namin mag-set ng boundaries.
Boundaries? Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Well, alam niyo naman kung gaano ko kayo gustong gabanding, di ba? As in. Kaso kasi, si Annie A, kailangan niya mag-focus sa school eh. And, para sa amin din naman to. And tama naman kasi talaga siya. So, ayun. Hindi na muna ako makakasama sa mga parties nyo ha.
Oo, saklap naman.
Ano ka ba naman, te? Don't get me wrong. Sasama pa rin naman ako paminsan-minsan. Pero, ayun nga. Kailangan ko bigyan ng time niya si Annie A. Kasi nga, di ba? Ang laki ng pangarap niya eh. Well, tutulungan ko na lang siya kasi makikinabang din naman ako sa yaman niya someday.
So, sinasabi mo ba ngayon na magiging responsible ka na? Naks naman!
Siguro. Pero, hindi rin pwedeng mawala yung fun sa life ko, no? Duh. Mag-enjoy pa rin naman ako. Pero, may point naman kasi talaga si Annie A. May pangarap din talaga tayong dapat isipin.
Oo na, gets na. So, anong plano natin ngayon since baka ito na ang last wild night mo for a while?
So, ano? Tara, samgyup. Tapos, counting karaoke after. Pero, dapat wag tayo malate ng uwi, ah. Kasi, kailangan ni Annie A ng beauty rest for the quiz and recitation tomorrow.
Deal! Samgyup and karaoke it is. Pero ikaw unang kakanta, Annie.
Oh, wow! Ipakita mo nga yung responsible side mo sa amin, but with a little bit of wildness.
Oo na, te. Pero, walang sisihan pag umuwi tayo ng basang-basa sa ulan, ha? Oh my God! Gawin nating memorable tong night na to, ha? But remember, boundaries. Some do first, tapos karaoke, then after that, bedtime na for Ana A. So ano, let's go? Let's go, let's go! Karaoke! Here we come!
This time, I'll do better. Hindi ko na hayaang mawala. Uy, seryoso mo naman agad. Nag-warm up pa nga lang ako dito, oh. Please, huwag ka na muna manggulo tonight. I really need this. Relax, girl. Hindi kita sisirain tonight. Boundaries, di ba? Just head it. Salamat. Kahit minsan, nakakainis ka. Alam ko. Pero minsan lang, ha? Kasi naman, kahit papano, like mo rin ako. I know. And you know what? I'm trying to live with that. Good. Kasi kahit hindi mo aminin, kapag napapagod ka, ako yung sumasalo. Then, this helped me stay on track tonight. Fine. Pero after the exam, tayo naman, ha? Konting fun lang. But I promise, magbibehave ako. We'll see.
namin na-realize before na na-overwhelm ka na pala.
Kasalanan din naman namin minsan eh. Sorry ha. Okay lang. At least, we're singing together.
From now on, healthy choices na tayo Pero unhealthy food pa rin. Deal?
Deal. We're getting better, right? We will.